Hi everybody and welcome back. My name is Samira and today we're going to be doing a step-by-step process on how to answer exercise 8. And so for exercise 8, it tells us to modify a already done turtle bar graph. And it tells us to give it it tells us to give it some values in the color so that it best suits the question. And so to do that, we have to be using the height. And so the given question is that if the height is greater than or equal to 100 and the height is less than 100, we have to color it yellow. But for the question, it says that the values have to be in between 100 and 200, so we have to fill that with yellow. And so if the height is greater than or equal to 200, we fill that in with red, and so on. If the height is less than 100, we fill it in with green. And so to do this, it gives us the values we can input, so then the graph can actually work. And so let's see if this would run. Yeah, and so it looks like our code has run correctly and efficiently. So it just gives us we just inputted like a certain value, so then that values can best suit the color we have given.